Hello.
Would you like to live like it's the 50s with me?
Maybe a little. Yeah.
Do you know much about the 50s? I actually don't know shit about the 50s, but I have a fantasy of living like the 50s.
What does this entail?
Well, it's kind of silly. Okay, no. We wouldn't live like it's the 50s because we both pretty much work online, and so we're attached to the hip to our like laptop or whatever. However, I had this idea that what if like one it's like malaria from the 50s. What if like an hour a day we lived like it was like the 50s or whatever? Think about it. Like picnic under the shade tree or whatever, shady tree. Doesn't that shit sound nice?
Yes.
Dude.
The simple things.
Picking fruit at an orchard. Were there libraries in the 50s?
Of course.
Were there?
There weren't libraries.
Dude,
come on.
I don't know what people did. It's like, I don't know. It's a different world now. It's hard to imagine. Go on bike rides. There were bike rides in the 50s, right? Look, you don't have to give me this look. Just politely, just take some pity on me and answer the question.
Yes.
Well, I was about to ask about this one. We're just gonna go with it. We'll play Scrabble like the 50s.
Yes.
Okay.
I would say that's accurate.
I'm giving you this look like because there was Scrabble, right? What else can we do? Like, just spend like an hour a day like it's the 50s. Let's see. Ooh, dude, we'd have like killer guns and shoulders from all the chopping wood and stuff like that. Dude, we'd be so fit. Ooh, we'd own a fireplace. That'd be part of our 50s lifestyle for some reason. Our house would instantly manifest an hour-long fireplace, and then it would disappear like Cinderella once the fantasy is up. I don't know about canning and shit like that. Like, that doesn't really sound like my thing. Ooh, but laundry, like, you know, dried in the sun. That shit, I'm into that.
Our neighbors do that.
Well, they live like it's the 50s because you'll hear them like partying outside. It's like a bunch of, it looks like kind of like old hippies.
Yeah.
And they have kind of a shitty setup, but they have a great time in their shitty setup. Like, you hear them partying and, yeah, playing music loud, talking. Ooh, that could be another thing. We could socialize like it's the 50s. That's what they do. They socialize like it's the 50s. What else? Ooh, if it was like the 50s, like, let's say during that hour of power, the 1950s hour of power, we like ate an apple and we felt like we just got like the biggest treat ever. Like, it was Hanukkah and Christmas every day during that hour, because an apple is like, I guess, something, a rare specialty. Ooh, we'd also dress like fucking the most fancy people ever for an hour, because I think everybody sewed back then, right? Or it was like everybody was their own tailor. It was like,
yeah, kind of.
I'm just gonna make myself a 3-piece suit, walk myself down to dinner. So that's kind of what I want. I want to write a list of things, like this long fucking list, and like every day, this is never gonna happen, but every day in fantasy, we're gonna spend an hour like giving our laptops like the middle finger, and then like playing Scrabble, going for bike rides. Ooh, tennis, badminton, some sort of thing where we're frolicking through a field, acting like the internet doesn't exist. What do you think of this idea?
These are all good ideas.
Dude, if you think of, is there anything that I'm missing?
Jazz clubs.
Ooh. We'd have to bike there. Remember, 50s. Peace.